Hi everyone, welcome. Today I want to go through how to do inverted and upright flat spins. Flat spins are actually a really easy maneuver to learn and they look great in the air. But what I want to do is I want to go through and show you how it's done and talk you through the stick movements as I show you how to do the maneuver. So let's get started. So to do this maneuver you need to take off, climb to a safe altitude, so go nice and high. And it's a very simple maneuver. All you do is cut your throttle, push the nose down, start a roll, and then put full left rudder for up elevator and slightly opposite aileron and put your power on. You need to do that all in one go, and as you can see the plane flat spins really nicely. The way to get out is you could fly out, you could go out in an inverted or upright Harrier or a rolling Harrier, just like I was doing. So I'm just going to land the plane and then talk you through the stick movements one more time. You do a lot very quickly, so talking it through takes a little bit of time, but it all happens together, and all the stick movements you sort of do almost at the same time. Okay, so you need to roll and then push the rudder to the left, up elevator, slightly opposite aileron, and then put a little bit of power. So let's see what it looks like again. So again, just going to take off, climb nice and high, and you can roll any direction you want, or put rudder any direction you want. So cut your throttle, put the nose down, roll, left rudder up elevator, opposite aileron, and a bit of power. And the plane just flat spins really nicely, and it looks really, really nice in the air. This time I'm just going to fly out. So I'm not going to come out in a Harrier or a rolling Harrier. So really quite a simple maneuver to do, doesn't take too long to learn. Literally try it 4 or 5 times and you should get the hang of it. But what I want to do now is just talk you through the stick movements for the inverted Harrier. So it's slightly opposite. So you push down elevator. We're going to roll to put the rudder to the right, and your aileron's going to go the same direction. Right. So take off again. Same thing. Cut your throttle, push the nose down, roll. Right rudder, down elevator, slightly opposite aileron, which is to the right, and power, and the plane just flat spins. And then the easiest way to come out is to do an inverted Harrier, which looks really, really nice when you come out of an inverted flat spin. If you don't know how to do an inverted Harrier, the easiest thing to do is to just roll the plane and fly out, because you could easily crash if you don't know how to do an inverted Harrier. But the main thing is give yourself a bit of height. So let me just land the plane here, and I'll show you one more time. Okay, so take off again. So climb up, get a lot of height. Cut your throttle, push the nose down, roll, right rudder, down elevator, opposite aileron, and a bit of power, and the plane just flat spins inverted really nicely, and looks absolutely great. And then come out in an inverted Harrier or rolling Harrier, or just roll the plane and fly out. There's loads of different ways you can come out, but when you inverted, the best way, or I think the coolest way to come out is really in an inverted Harrier or a rolling Harrier. But if you can't do both, just be safe, roll the plane and fly out. And it's literally as simple as that. So there's not too much in it. Keep flying, keep practicing, and you should be able to get the hang of this maneuver fairly easily. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.